USS Herring, SS-233, lost on June 1, 1944, with the loss of 83 men near Matsuwa Island. Herring was on her 8th war patrol and was conducting a surface attack when a shore battery spotted her and made 2 direct hits on her conning tower, causing her loss. Before being sunk, she had sank a freighter and a passenger cargoman. Herring was the only U.S. submarine sunk by a land battery. USS R-12, SS-89, lost on June 12, 1943, with the loss of 42 men near Key West, Florida, during a practice torpedo approach. The cause was probably due to flooding through a torpedo tube. The CO and 2 other men on the bridge survived, as did 18 crew members on Liberty at the time of the accident. USS Gullet, SS-361, lost on June 14, 1944, with the loss of 82 men. On her 2nd war patrol, Gullet was apparently lost in battle with anti-submarine forces north of Honshu. USS Bonefish, SS-223, lost on June 18, 1945, with the loss of 85 men when sunk near Suzu Misaki. Winner of 3 Navy unit citations, Bonefish was on her 8th war patrol. After sinking a passenger cargoman, Bonefish was subjected to a savage depth charge attack. USS S-27, SS-132, lost on June 19, 1942, when it grounded off Amchitka Island. She was on the surface in poor visibility, charging batteries, and drifted onto the shoals. When she could not be freed and started listing, the captain got the entire crew ashore 400 yards away in relays using a 3-man rubber raft. The entire crew was subsequently rescued. USS 09, SS-70, lost on June 20th, 1941, with the loss of 33 men when it foundered off the Isle of Shoals, 15 miles from Portsmouth, New Hampshire. USS Runner, SS-275, lost between June 26th and July 4th, 1943, with a loss of 78 men, probably due to a mine. Runner was on her 3rd war patrol. Prior to her loss, she reported sinking a freighter and a passenger cargoman off the Kuriles. Runner's last known ship sunk happened on June 26th, and so likely struck a mine on or after that date, but before July 4th, when she was scheduled back at Midway.